Hello guys, good morning. This is my car. I need to change the CB. The tools is all there, all prepared. Make it sure that if you want to change, what parts you change, just to make sure that do you have a complete tools. It's part of the safety procedure. So my car need to change this. You see this video. This is the CB for front wheel drive. I need to change for my car, and it's all complete. It's all there. The tools that I need, it's all there. Yeah. And then my car here. Yes. So before you proceed to change the parts of your car, just to make sure that you remove the battery connection. See, this is the negative side for battery connection for safety purposes. Just to remove this cap and then start to work.